Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do Kick in crypto. Calm, easy method. Begin by opening the app and tapping the profile icon, then choose verification. I will walk you through choosing ID type, capturing clean photos, and confirming your details so verification proceeds smoothly. Keep documents flat, use natural light, and hold steady for photos. If you hit a snag, I'll share quick fixes and patience tips to speed approval. Start with the highest quality document you have and place it on a plain background. Take a straight, well-lit photo that shows all corners and text clearly, and avoid reflections over numbers or photos. For selfies, hold your phone at eye level and keep a neutral expression while ensuring your face is centered. If the app requests a live motion, follow prompts calmly and repeat the step if needed for clarity and success. If your submission is rejected, review the rejection reason and resubmit with clearer images or corrected details. Double-check that your name matches across ID and account settings, and upload any requested proof of address promptly. When verification is slow, check your email for support requests and avoid repeated submissions that can cause confusion. I'll give a few pro tips to reduce wait time and keep your account compliant and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.